So good morning. So we discussed about permutation. What is permutation? Permutation is an arrangement, and we have studied a lot of formulas about permutation. NBR is equal to what? NBR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial when the repetition is not allowed and things are distinct. And if the repetition is allowed and things are distinct, NBR is equal to what? N raised to r. And things are not distinct, then NBR is equal to what? N factorial by P1 factorial into P2 factorial into etc. Pn factorial. So these are the things. So permutation is purely an arrangement. You see, if A, B, C are three items are there. So if you want to arrange two items at a time, then it is AB, BA, AC, CA, BA, AB. So there are six arrangements. But combination is different. Combination means it is a selection. Combination means selection. So out of A, B, C, if you want to select two items, then it may be what are the things? AB, next AC, next BC. This AB and BA are same. So instead of AC and C, you write AC. So BC and CB, it is called BC. So that is only three things, because if you are taking apple and orange and apple, selection is same. Okay, order is not important. So combination means what? Combination is a selection. Combination means selection of things. Combination is a selection of things. Order of things has no importance. You see, A, B, A, C, here A, B, C, D are there. So two at a time means AB, AC, AD, BC, BD. Same way, three items I have already told them. So this is called the word combination. Combination is selection. So always remember, combination is selection and permutation is arrangement. So combination is selection, permutation is arrangement. Different combination of four letters of A, B, C, D are A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D. Now, notation for combination. Notation for combination is NCR. This NCR. What is NCR? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r. I will explain how it is coming. But this is the formula. Number of combination you have to do. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r. That means number of selection of r things from n things is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And NCR, some textbook you can write it as CNR. Both are same. NCR and CNR are same. Next step. Next, from a class of 32 students, 4 are to be chosen for competition. How many ways it can be done? So from 4 students, from 32 students, you have to select 4 students. So how many ways it can be done? How many ways it can be done? From 32 children, we have to select 4. So it is on the form 32C4 or C32-4. What is the formula? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 32C4 is equal to what? 32 factorial by 4 factorial into 32 minus 4 factorial. So 32 factorial, you can write 32 into 31 into 30 into 29 into 28 factorial by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 28 factorial. 28 factorial, 28 factorial cancel. Then 32 into 31 into 30 into 29. So the answer is what? 35,960. 35,960. This is number of ways of selection of 32. Sorry, 4 children from 32 children. Next. In how many ways 3 gentlemen and 2 ladies be selected from a group of 5 gentlemen and 6 ladies? So 3 gentlemen can be selected from 5 gentlemen. Though man, ladies. Man, how many are there? 5 and 6 ladies. We want 3 gentlemen, 3 people and 2 ladies. So from 5 people, 3 people can be selected in the way 5C3. From 6 people, 2 people can be selected in the way 6C2. So 5C3 is what? 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. So this answer is 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So the answer is 150. Answer is 150. So this is the way we have to find out the answer. Next step. In how many ways can 5 red and 4 white balls can be drawn from a bag containing 10 red ball and 8 white ball? So from 10 red ball, 5 red ball can be collected in the way 10C5. And from 8 white ball, 4 white ball can be collected in the way 8C4. What is 10C5? 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 factorial into 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 8 minus 4 factorial. So after simplifying, you are getting 17,640. These are a property. These are a property we will discuss. We will prove it. NCR is equal to NC n minus R. And another is what for the non-negative. And NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Next, NCR is equal to n minus. This is not that much important. And this NCX is equal to NCY implies x is equal to y or x plus y is equal to n. So these are the property we will discuss in the next classes. Now some other properties here. NC0. What is NC? NCR is what? NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. What is NC0? N factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. So n factorial 0 factorial is 1 into n factorial. So what is answer? 1. What is NC1? N factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial we can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. So what is answer? Yeah. So NC0 is 1, NC1 is n. Next, what is NCN? NCN is equal to n factorial by n factorial into n minus n factorial. So n factorial by n factorial into 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So what is 1? So always remember NC1 is n and NC0 is, what is NC0? NC0 is 1. NC1 is n. NC0 is 1. NC0 is 1. NCN is also 1. So these are the important notes.